Today we're looking at this week's algorithm predictions. We're going to give you an update on how our AI is developing and the progress we've made this week. So we've used predictive modeling in order to start approximating the potential prices that an NFT would end up selling at auction. So we ran this algorithm the day before the auction results were finished, and we've shown you a summary of our three predictions that we've made so far based on the machine learning it's done previously from old data sets. So we've looked at this one, and this one. Okay. So for the crypto blocks, their closing value was 2.1 Ethereum. And we predicted that they'd be going for 2.5 Ethereum. So basically, we're seeing a 0.4 Ethereum closeness here. This is a pretty good approximation and was only off by 16%. So our algorithm picked this one up as being quite a high priced NFT due to the good ratio of free black space to essentially a symbol. Additionally, when it's in the arts blocks curated, that also increases its value. It's a part of a series. The author or the creator had made previous ones, and it had some likes to it as well, which interestingly feeds into that. So the next prediction was fragments of an infinite field, and this closed at 21 Ethereum, and we predicted it would be about 15 Ethereum. These are crazy prices. So this is 74,000 and this is 50,000, what we predicted. So our algorithm picked up that it was quite chaotic. However, it did seem to have the 4-color rule scheme that it seems to prioritize as higher selling. Again, it was in this art blocks curated, and essentially the flowers seem to do well on our algorithm as well. So it's like it sees symbols, and because it's using computer vision, the symbols it's seeing seem to, if they mimic the real world, it seems to increase its value as well. And here we saw it had 3 likes, interestingly enough. So that was only 31% off our algorithm this time. Okay, our final one, which was a total of 150,000 it ended up selling for, 45 Ethereum, had a closing value of 45 Ethereum, where we predicted it would be 50 Ethereum. Okay, so this one was quite interesting. Essentially, these geometric shapes with this unique pattern seem to up the value a fair bit. The high number of likes was also a key indication. It had a good free space ratio, had the right colors and the right number of colors. So when we're seeing this, the light blue background, we seem to see an increase in price. Additionally, a nice square shape look seems to sell as well. So setting up just that frame to be a square seems to have some impact on its price. Additionally, it was also in the arts blocks curated like all the others. And yeah, this is why we saw this one being 11% off the actual price. So we over predicted this one, whereas the other two we under predicted. So yeah, thanks. We'll keep you updated as the weeks go by.